Happy 59th Independence, Jamaica. Lord, me dear, holy for celebrations now for this special occasion. Not to mention, me hear say, Uno area code change from 876 to 123. What a sitting do ye? We bring in the 100 and 200 meter to a country. Double, double, me say. You know what my mother say? My mother say she bring in double, double too, because she got Tim Hortons here in Canada and have our double, double coffee. Yes, darling there, my mother drink her coffee, tea, double, double. So we all celebrate with you the 123 area code. And me here say, Jamaica get catch with performance enhancing substances. They are the Olympics. Yeah, the Trelawney yellow yam, darling deer, and the steamed fish, and the dasheen, all of them something there, the bun and cheese, and the Cersei. Hey, hey, Jamaica name go far and wide, me love. And me just want to tell you, say Miss Tania Lou here in Canada, enjoying all the festivities. So listen now. On my album, Shades of My Heart, I wrote a special song for our mother of Jamaican culture, Miss Lou. And I want to sing it for you guys this evening. Alright? Make we just ring in Jamaica Independence 59 with concert time. Miss Lou, let me tell you about dear Miss Lou, mother of Jamaican culture, be true. She preserved with heritage through stories, riddles, songs, and poems. She had a show for kids called Ring Ding. She teach them their culture and all them sing sing. When Miss Lou said concert time, the children stand up and bust out in one big smile. Concert time. Actually, there's a put Jamaica on the map when she could reverse language patois at the time. Poet, teacher, social commentator, spoke about politics and religion. On the stage with her great big smile, everybody get ready for concert time. Concert time for you and me. Let me sing and dance and play. Concert time for all of us. We celebrate our culture today. She said, teach the trick in the same thing that belongs to them. It's good. Concert time. Come spend me time with Miss Tania Lou. Listen, make we do some talking, make we reason right now. Listen, for this Jamaica 59 independence, let me talk about my 1, 2, 3 for Jamaica 59 independence. Let us talk about gratitude. Remember Miss Lou, how she would talk about this proverb, how the and thinking no broke no square. Remember square dance? It's a group of 8 people in a square. And that's where that proverb came from, you know. Howdy and thank you, no broke, no square. It doesn't take much to say hello and thank you. It don't broke up any square. Yes, my love. So my number 1 is gratitude. Again, Miss Lou have this poem. I love it. If every children all over the world could learn the courtesy poem. Shine up your shoes and brush your hair. Give clothes and body plenty care. Mind your manners, don't forget. Howdy and thank you, no broke, no square. So that's my number 1. My number 2, manners and respect. Manners and respect. You know that proverb? No mak, maga kawa koda bull muma. Listen, you see that maga cow, have respect for the maga cow just like bull. Right? She is a mother to someone. And this person who you might think is weak might have very strong associates around her, people to help her. But never judge a book by its covers and respect everyone. All right? Respect them. And respect beget respect. My number 3 is hardworking. Jamaicans are known to be hardworking people. Let us continue to have that legacy of being hard workers, people with manners and respect, and with whole heap of gratitude and values. Remember our parents, our family members. We have to have manners. Remember what them say? If you can't hear, you will feel. Hard ears picking yam rock stone. You remember that? Remember? If you're rude to your mother and father, them going to say you must smell your arm. Chicken Mary Hawk then near. Hey, outer door, you go sleep tonight, boy. Here must see you wear the pants. You remember that? Crabs walk too far, lose them claws. Yes, darling dear. I remember that, my love. Listen, manners and respect, you know. So I just wanted to just reiterate those things, those very important things for us to be the Jamaicans that we must be. We're 59 years strong and we have more to grow. But let us continue our legacy of being strong people, little but talawa. Yes, we're good on the world stage with Olympics and racing and education and all of that. Little bit of Jamaica. We have a little speck on the world map, but we're big boat here. But let us continue. And you know, I live in Canada. Let me just say first, I forget, Andre DeGrasse, me live in Canada, manners and respect. Let me just say, just congrats to every athlete in Canada, Andre and your team, Jamaica and your team, world and your team, manners and respect. Just the fact that you went into Olympics was a big thing. Yeah, man. Give you some manners and respect right now. Thank you for representing us. Yes. So, let me tell you some riddles and then I end with a story. Wriggle me this, wriggle me that, guess me this wriggle and perhaps not. All doctors go to university except this one. All doctors go to university except this one. Uno know it? Uno give up? The answer is Dr. Bird. Yes, man, we national bird, Dr. Bird. All right, wriggle me this, wriggle me that, guess me this riddle and perhaps not. Room full, all full, cannot get a spoonful. You know that one? Is smoke. Riddle me this, riddle me that, guess me this riddle and perhaps not. What's yours, but other people use it more than you do? What's yours, but others use it more than you do? Uno give up is your name. Me catch on. Riddle me this, riddle me that, guess me this riddle and perhaps not. Around the ragged road, the ragged rascal run. How many R's in that? Round the ragged road, the ragged rascal run. How many R's in that? Hey, I take my catch on again. None. There are no R's in that. I love riddles, you see? Yeah, man. Let me end with a story on Jamaica 59 independence. I'm going to tell you about Anansi, the central character of African folk tales. Yeah, man, of the Ashanti tribe of Ghana. Him troublesome, you see, but him usually get him comeuppance. And him usually learn a lesson, right? We learn every behavior have a consequence. So I'm going to tell you a story, Anansi and Him Stories. One day, brother Anansi walking by a little girl reading a book. And him fast, you know, brother Anansi, him fast. Him love to see what everybody doing, right? So brother Anansi go up to the little girl and say, little girl, what you reading? So him look, the little girl show him. Brother Anansi eye them nearly pop out when him see Puss and Rat chop them 10 in a picture, a pose. Him say, kuya doyi, ku Puss and Rat in a story. Then if them in a story, then me if they in a story too. So him said to the little girl, just turn the pages of this story for me, please. Turn the page. So the little girl turn it all. No, brother Nancy can't see himself in the story. Brother Nancy get vexed because him for being a story. So you know him though? Him want put a spoke in Puss and Rat wheel. Because him know say Puss and Rat is friend, you know. Them go to people house and thief out people things. So brother Nancy want get them in trouble. So him go to Puss. And him say, hey Puss, miss you nice up with Rat. You never know say Puss rat meat nice. He Puss? You don't know that? Puss say, meow. A true brother Nancy, me never know that. And then brother Nancy say, yes Puss, next time you see rat, taste him meat, it nice. So brother Puss him feel happy now, you know. Him walk off and him a go meow, meow. So guess what brother Nancy do? Go to Rat now, go make trouble. Say Rat, miss here brother Puss mother, I tell him say, next time him see you, him for taste your meat kind nice. So brother Rat, afraid take him and him run away. Puss here and him a try chase after Rat. That's why I'll know Puss and Rat, them always is enemy. Puss always a run after Rat and Rat always a hide. So people did hear what brother Nancy do, how he make Puss and Rat turn enemy. So one day grandma come to him and grandma say, brother Nancy, me hear what you do to Puss and Rat, me glad. Because me not like what Puss and Rat doing in my house. So brother Nancy say, yeah, cause them in a story how come me not in a no story. So here grandma, no worry brother Rat, me a go help you. I mean no worry brother Nancy, me a go help you. I go, when I tell my grandchildren stories, me go mention you. I go mention you brother Nancy, so you will always be in stories too. So brother Nancy happy and him go, get. Thank you grandma, but for make sure say you talk about me in stories, I go and make sure say I climb up on the wall and watch you when you're telling your grandchildren story. And anytime you fall asleep when you're telling your grandchildren story, I go and put cobweb over your face and wake you up. So please remember to talk about me. So grandma said, no worry man, we will talk about you in stories. So to this day, grandmas tell their children stories about brother Anansi. And those children go tell them friend. And the friend go tell other friend, and it's so it go how Anansi getting story. A true Jack Mandora, me no choose none. You know why we say Jack Mandora? Because Jack Mandora is the keeper of heaven. And you want to tell Jack Mandora, say, when you tell the story, you only tell it because you're just telling what Anansi say is Anansi make it. Yeah, Jack Mandora, me no choose none, is Anansi make it. So there you go, my people. Glad to sit down with you and talk a little bit. Blessings and walk good, me love. Take care. Walk good every day, and good dopey will walk with you. Walk good. Walk good every day, good dopey will walk with you. Every day, walk good on your way. Walk good, good follow you. If you just walk good, walk good, walk good. Happy 59th Jamaica Independence. Miss Tania Lou telling you, bye, take care. I'ma see you on the next time. Manners and respect, values, hard working, with little but with talawa. Yeah man, take care.